Okay, so problem here. This light is out, so we're going to replace the light bulb. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to really. Clicking here. There's one clip right here. There's another one right here, right by the corner. So we should be able to pop those out. Or not. Oh, there we go. So 1, 2, and then this right here. This right here, we need to push in. This is the hook that I was. There's another clip in here. Okay, there is. Now push it inwards. Oh, there is. Yes, I'm gonna have to remove it. Put it in place here. Okay, let's see. So the light bulb is gonna be right here. Yes, too much. We're gonna twist, a little twist to the left, counterclockwise, and here's the light bulb. Hard to see, right? It definitely seems to be burned. Just pull it out. I don't know how hard it will be to see that. It should look like burn. Okay, anyway, it's out. Need to put the new one in. Okay, as you can see right there, the filament is broken. I have to see if I have the light bulb. So I already replaced one, the one from the other side. I already replaced it some time ago, and I don't have record of that, like the light bulb information. I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I have right here. What? It doesn't really look the same. this is what I used the last time. I might have the wrong number, I don't know. Number 168. Let me put it back and see how it works. Okay, so here we go. Here's the socket for the light bulb. And even before I put everything back, let me do some kind of testing. And there's some. Now it's just a matter of putting everything back. This we're gonna push in, line it up, and then we're gonna twist like that, and then clockwise. It's like a quarter turn, something like that. Maybe even less than a quarter turn. Now we want to make sure that all our retaining clips are in place. This one, like I said, let me try to get it out and place it over here. So okay, so it's out. I'm gonna slide it in here, something like that. Now this goes in this hole right here, so we have to make sure that it engages, something like that. And then verify that the clips are kind of line up. Okay, this is a little bit down, so okay, let me start this. Okay, looks like everything is in place. Flash off. We have light. All right, that's about it. Thank you.